All right, this is one I've been wanting to get to for a while. We're going to talk about creating live webinar or workshop funnels. Now, typically the stuff I show here on the channel is just recordings of actual work that I'm doing because I don't have time to make the extra content. And it just so happened that I had to put together a live workshop funnel today, so figured I'd document the process and show you how I did it here in HighLevel. Now, first thing I do when I'm creating a live workshop funnel is just come in here and go into my forms and the funnels tab, and go into my builder and get my form created. So you'll see here that I just have a real simple form for this. It's just going to ask for first name and email, and that's going to be it. Next thing is we're going to go and build our funnel out. So if I head in here to my lead gen funnels, I've got this financial freedom workshop funnel. I remember, always make sure we connect our domain, paste in our favicon URL, paste in our Meta, Google, and any other tracking pixels here in our settings. And once we're back in that funnel, we'll just go and check out these pages. So I built out a real simple opt-in page. You don't have to get fancy with this, guys. This will do the job just fine. So simple opt-in page. Main thing you want to focus on is the transformation. You always want to make sure that you are highlighting the dates and times multiple times there because people are forgetful. Then we have our confirmation page. So simple confirmation page, your spot is secure. Again, reminding them for the third time of the date and time. Also, make sure that you always list what time zone you're saying your thing's at. So if I say 5 p.m., we've got people that will be attending this from multiple different countries. So people in all different time zones. So we want to make sure that it's clear that it's Eastern Standard Time. And then also make sure they understand that they need to adjust this to their own time. And I need to go in and fix that typo right there. Then we have the Zoom link and information right here. This is a scheduled meeting that I set up. I did not put my personal meeting link or anything like that because you don't want people having that and trying to jump in if you're in other meetings. So schedule out an event, put in the info right here. And then, of course, our automations. So I did try this whole new Zoom webinars thing, by the way. I found it to almost just be more work than just doing it the old-fashioned way that I've always done it. And I also had quite a few errors. I don't know if I just got into HighLevel at a bad time, but it seemed a little bit buggy, especially with the automation side of it. Anyways, we're going to go into our automations, lead workflows, and I just created a manual workflow here. So let's find the right one right here, workshop post opt-in. So obviously that form we created is going to be our trigger. So anytime someone submits this form, that will be triggered. First thing I have in here is I just put in the event time that will be taken into account with these reminders that we'll go into. So in order to do that, you're just going to go to set event time, do specific date and time, select your date, and then change your time here. And all that's going to do is tell the system, okay, for these reminders that are 24 hours before, 15 minutes before, this is the time that we need to be sending those out around. So next thing is our tag. So I always give them my master tag and then a lead magnet specific tag. Instantly, they're going to get a confirmation email and just going to let them know, hey, we're excited to see you. Here's a quick recap. So this is the fourth or fifth time that we are sharing the information. People forget, we're going to keep sharing it. Zoom link, all this stuff. Then what we do is we put in a wait period. Now, typically when we put in a wait period, it defaults to a time delay. That's not what we want. So we just want to change it from time delay to event/appointment time. And that is going to be based off of the event/appointment time that we set up here at the top. So for this first one, we're just going to do 2 days reminder. This is automatically selected, and you want to make sure to keep this on. This just means that what happens if someone signs up 20 minutes before, it's basically just saying, yeah, we're not going to send them this 2-day reminder. They're not going to start at the top of the workflow. They're going to start right here at the 15-minute reminder. Then we did the same thing, sent them an email, again, with the information. Hey, we'll see you in 2 days. Here's the info. So 6 or 7 times now we've shared the info. Same thing, event/appointment time, and we're just going to wait 24 hours. Again, send them another email. See you in 24 hours. And then our final reminder, 15 minutes beforehand. So 15 minutes here Send them a final email, let them know, hey, we're opening up the Zoom room. Here's the information. Now, obviously, if you were asking for phone numbers, you could also send out SMS reminders. But yeah, that is it. That is our workflow, our funnel, etc. for this live workshop. And this is kind of the standard live workshop / webinar funnel that I run. Obviously, we'll see how many of these people convert. And then based on that data, we will take everyone that didn't and we will put them into our master email list if they're not already in there, and they'll start getting drip content over time, value, social proof, access to other live events, etc. Anyways, hope this is helpful. If you have any questions at all, go ahead and comment down below. You can try HighLevel for free and the link in the description as well. I'll see you next time. Peace.